beautiful day. Wish every day were like this. I mean, look at that picture there. I could be in Spain, Greece, Cyprus, anywhere. Beautiful. Yeah, if that heron did something like. Yeah, must jog on, crack on, come on Bella. And what does everybody think of little Rocco? Lovely dog, innit? Hey, oh, there we go. Look at him. Come back, you pesky ducks.